Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm also fine and I'm grateful to God for this far He has brought me. If you are new here, I go by the name Sharon Shill and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please consider to hit that subscription button. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always being there for me, supporting me. It means the world to me. So guys, today being on a Friday at work, I've decided why not to take a short break and walk along the compound, guys. I just wanted to show you how I'm connecting with nature. I'm outside connecting with nature, very mindful of me, very thoughtful, very demure, very curious. Yes guys, you should not just sit the whole day in one place, not coming outside, taking a cool breeze, relaxing. Yeah, sometimes work can be very tiresome, so you need to take a break, have a little walk, refresh yourself, then again go back and start afresh. So I'm outside here, I'm taking a cool breeze, connecting with nature, how the fresh air is, how it's so relaxing outside here. Yes, it's just good guys. So I'm outside here chilling with my monkeys as usual and just connecting with nature guys. So guys, let me turn the camera so that you can see my monkeys running around as we connect with nature here guys. So without further ado, let's do this. Yeah, you see how they're on the top of the trees climbing up and down. Yeah, they always like this place and the nature looks so good. I love this kind of environment and I'm that kind of a person. I like trees. Trees always brings a cool breeze. Look at that one guys, is on the tree. Yeah, just relaxing. Yeah, this is interesting, very mindful, very curious guys. Yeah, so take a look guys around how they are jumping around, running around. Yeah, they always like this place because it's always full of leftovers, always full of leftovers guys. I always like this place. It's my chilling point. When I take a break out of the office, I always come, walk around, meditate, watch on the monkeys, the way they are relaxing, running around, sometimes feeding their young ones, sometimes they are fighting each other. It's always good. Yeah, this place is full of trees, it's like a forest, and monkeys, when it comes to evening like this, they are always full here, and mostly in the morning they come, those big ones. Look at that small one inside there guys. You see? Wow, very thoughtful. Wow, very demure. Look at that guys. These are the kind of things I like. Yeah, and they are very friendly guys. So guys, in this video also I want to thank you all my subscribers for supporting me. This journey is not easy guys. The journey of Whitey is not easy, is not for the weak. We need each other in this journey, and since I started YouTube, you've always supported me, and you guys are the reason why I'm where I am today. In fact, I never knew I can do content because I've been a shy person, and I never knew I can be on camera and record a video, say something. I never knew. So you guys, you have been my support system, and let's continue with the same spirit, guys. Let us not leave anyone behind. Just support where you can, and let us be each other's keeper. Yes, we never know. We never know of tomorrow. Let's support one another. Let's show love where we can, because this is the way, actually. This is the way. So thank you so much, guys. You mean the world to me. And let's not give up, guys. Let's keep on pushing, because giving up should never be our option. Yes, guys. Giving up should never be our option. Let's continue to support one another. Yes. You guys have been amazing to me. Oh, see how they are running. They are chasing one another. It's just amazing. Just amazing. See. This is why I always love this place. Monkeys are like a human beings. If you see how they are eating and holding food, hey, it's just amazing. So guys, let's continue to support one another and be there for one another. You guys are just amazing. And I'm so proud of each and every person's growth, because since I started YouTube, everybody has developed, and every person is in a place where they were not before, and every person is in a place they never imagined. So there's nothing impossible, guys. That is always my motto. Nothing is impossible. No matter how long it takes, one day it shall come. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. It's so amazing. And if you are that kind of a person who just sits inside the whole day, so gloomed on the phone, please come out, take a fresh air outside, connect with the nature. It is very mindful, very demure, very curious, because you get to meditate and refresh yourself. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. If you have not subscribed, please do support your girl here. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. You mean the world to me. And without further ado, let's call it an end here. We shall meet into the next one. Bye bye. I love you.